Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI and I have here with me a really wonderful perfume. I love wearing this perfume. This is a Amor Amor Cacharel perfume that I think the name is just perfect because I absolutely love this perfume and I'm sure you will too. What I love about this perfume is that it's not overly powering for me. Personally, I love softer perfumes, but also that are long lasting. So I like the fact that I can just use this perfume and I will spray it here right on my wrist. Just need a little bit really. And as you can see, I've got a little bit there. I'll put it around here if I need to, on my neck as well. Oh my goodness, that is such a great smell. It's fruity and it has like flowers as well. It's just such a feminine like smell too. It's perfect really. So I would definitely wear this for a night out. If I'm going to a meeting or if I'm going to a gathering, I can wear it anywhere. I should actually wear this every day because it's so good. So if you're thinking of getting a really great perfume, I would recommend this one here. I love using it and that's my point of view.